Hello everyone, this video is for the CSS solution of the CSS unit test 1. Okay, we start with question number 1. Okay, the question number 1 is there are available identifier identifiers case sensitive in JavaScript? Yes, the answer is true. Okay, second question, which of the following are the capabilities of the function in JavaScript? Okay, so JavaScript function return a value and accept the parameter, right? So here the last option is the correct, accept the parameters and return a value, right? Script question number 3, script type x 4 plus 4. Okay, so answer is 44. Next question, add mode 3, the answer is 2. Okay, next, which of the following is not a JavaScript data types? Float is not a data type of JavaScript. Next, what are the two basic groups of data types in JavaScript? Okay, primitive and the reference, both are the all of the above. Okay, JavaScript is the design for the following purpose. Okay, to style HTML page, to execute query related to database on a server, to add the interactivity to HTML page. So answer is the interactivity to a HTML pages. Okay, it is possible to the nested function in JavaScript. Yes, true, right? The keyboard character represent the assignment operator. Okay, so single equal to is the represent the assignment operator. Okay, here the how increment operator works means how increment and decrement operator works. Find out the below JavaScript code where a equal to 1 document dot write a minus minus means first it print the value of a 1 and then minus minus, then a becomes 0, and second document dot write a equal to 0. The answer is 1 0. Okay, next, scripting language are high level language. What is the correct correct JavaScript syntax to write hello words? Okay, the document dot write hello words. Okay, next, among the following which is the ternary operator in JavaScript? Ternary question mark and colon. Okay, which of the following is the correct about features of JavaScript? Okay, Java is the object based scripting language. Java is not a interpreted, no, Java is a interpreted. Java is object, no, Java is a object based, right? It can not handling date and times. So second question is second option is right option. Then keyword is used to declare variable in JavaScript. Var, var. Which of the following is the correct about JavaScript? JavaScript is a lightweight interpreted programming language. Correct. JavaScript is a object-oriented capabilities that allows you to build interactivity to into otherwise static HTML page. Yes, correct. The general purpose core of the language has been the embedded in the Netscape, Internet Explorer and other web browsers. So all above this is the answer. Next, okay, right, find out the below code for var equal to 20 and var b equal to a equal to 30. So answer is 60 एंड यहाँ पे एक हमने आंसर नहीं दिया है तो इसका एक बोनस पॉइंट आंसर सबको मिलेगा. आंसर इज 60 आएगा, तो 60 इसका आंसर आएगा जो ऑप्शन में नहीं है, राइट? तो आपको सबको एक बोनस मार्क्स मिलेगा. Instead, inside which HTML element do we put the JavaScript? Simple, script tag. Okay, JavaScript is ideal to uh, increase the download time for client, make computation in HTML simpler, minimize storage requirement on the web server. So JavaScript is ideal to none of the above is the right answer. Next, JavaScript statement embedded in the HTML page can respond to user events such as the mouse click from input and page validation. It client side. Okay. What is the value of doc dot length? 3. 3 character. 3 is the length of the doc character. What if we put plus plus operator inside of if condition and find the output of the below code? A equal to 10 and A equal to A plus plus. Okay, so what is the answer is the A equal to A double equal to A plus plus. Okay, so A equal to 10 and uh, A plus plus A become 11. Answer is the 1 11 is the answer. In JavaScript, array are data type. State true and false. Array is a object. It is false. Okay, which of the following correct syntax to display the the alert? Let's find codes. Alert, last one is the right answer. Script document dot write 2 plus 5 means it perform the arithmetic operation, it becomes 7, and second is the string concatenation 7 7 8 is the right answer. Okay, so those are the right answer of the questions. We revise one more time. Okay, first are variable identifier case sensitive? Yes, true. Then which of the following capabilities of the function is in JavaScript? Okay, accept parameter and return a value. And then 44 is the right answer, 2 is the right answer, add mode 3. Which of the following is not a JavaScript data type? Float is not a JavaScript data type. What are the two basic group of the variable in JavaScript? So answer is the all of the above. Okay, JavaScript designed for the uh, following purpose. Okay, so answer is to add interactivity to HTML pages. Next, is it possible to nested? Yes, true, right answer. Assignment operator, equal to, double equal to is a comparison operator, right? And this is code for increment operator or decrement operator. Variable a equal to 1, a minus minus document dot write a minus. First it print the value of a means 1, and second document dot write print 0, because after printing 1 a decremented by 1. Okay, so 10 is the right answer. Scripting language are the high level language. Correct syntax document dot write. Okay, among the following which is the alternative operator? Question mark and colon. Which of the following is the correct about the features of JavaScript? Object based programming language, right? Where character used for the creating variables in JavaScript. Which of the following correct about JavaScript? Okay, so here all of the is the right answer. Okay, answer is 60 but not in a option, right? Script, inside of which HTML element do we put the JavaScript script tag? In the script tag. JavaScript is ideal to none of the mentioned is the is third option is the right answer. Okay, and everything done at client side in JavaScript. Doc.length 3 is the answer, and a plus plus, finally a compare with the a plus plus, document write equal to a become 11, incremented by 1, and after the increment a is a display, value of a is 11. In Java, array is a object, right? False. And let's find course how to display alert. Fourth option is the right answer. And finally here the two what it is called the polymorphism. First addition perform the integer addition, and second one is the string joining. So answer is the 78. Okay, so submit the answer. Thank you very much. This is a solution for